Good morning, Math Ninjas. In this Ed puzzle, we're going to talk about some terminology, and specifically the word term as it relates to mathematics and algebra. And it's simple. It's a term is a single number or variable or numbers and variables multiplied together with algebraic notation. Okay, so we're simple. So 7 is a term. It's a single number. X is a term. It's a single number, a single variable. 2y is a term. It's a number and a variable multiplied together, not with the x multiplication symbol. We're moving away from that in algebra, but 2 next to y, that is 2 times y, that is a term. 3/4 is a term. And 1.7y would be a term. 1 7/10 times y, that would be a term. Okay, these are all examples of terms. Now, let's look at like terms. If you had a 7 and a 3, those would be like terms. The interesting thing about like terms is you can combine them. 7 and 3, it would simplify to 10. Okay? Like terms would be 2x and x. These are like terms. They share the same variable. They have a different multiplier, but this is x plus x plus x. It would simplify to 3x. Now, like terms are terms that have the same variables and exponents. So let's look at that. If you had y squared plus 3y squared, those would be like terms. They share the same variable, they share the same variable, and they share the same exponent. So if this was x squared plus y squared, would those be like terms? No, they wouldn't be because they have different variables. If it was x squared plus x cubed, would those be like terms? No, they have different exponents. All right, so in review, a term is a single number or variable, or numbers and variables multiplied together. 7 is a term, x is a term, 2y is a term, 3/4 is a term. Like terms, if they are alike, right, similar terms, like terms, are terms that have the same variables and exponents. There should be a have there, right? Terms that have same variables and exponents. 7 and 3, I mean, super simple, like terms. 2x and x share the same variables. They are like terms. Y squared plus 3y squared are like terms. They share the same variable and they share the same exponent. All right, know it, believe it, rewatch it. This is here to stick with you, this type of language.